Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be showing you guys how I make my beautiful and delicious coconut fried rice. It's absolutely amazing and I hope that you guys enjoy the rest of this video. Please remember to like, comment and subscribe if you haven't. So the first thing I'm doing is heating up, a little amount of coconut oil in my pot, and I'm going to add my washed rice to it. So I'm adding my rice to the oil because I like, it's kind of extra when you think about it, but I like frying my rice a little bit just before cooking it because I feel like it adds that extra crisp to it and it makes it dry in a way. So like your rice spoils quickly because it's moist. There's a lot of, moisture going on in the rice. But then when it's really dry, I feel like it's just nice when it's in the fridge as well. And when you warm it up, it's just really nice. It's just something that I personally enjoy. So you don't have to do that, but this is just how I make it. And then I'm gonna add the coconut milk, which I bought from the store. You can make yours if you want by just blending coconuts, and then sieving it obviously. But then that's just a lot of work and I really did not want to destroy our blender. Yeah, and then I'm going to add water. I just always add the water just to fill the top a little bit, just like you can still see the surface of the rice, so not too much, because I don't like my fried rice, soggy and all soft. I like them a little bit, like I said, crisp and not too soft, but yeah. And I'm gonna cook this for 30 minutes on low heat, just to make sure it doesn't burn. And after 30 minutes, guys, my kitchen was smelling so beautiful. Like the smell, the aroma, everything, it was so nice. I absolutely loved making this, that I made it again the next day. That's how much I loved coconut rice. All right, so and then we're going on to the second stage. So I'm adding a little bit of coconut oil into my frying pan and I'm going to be stir frying chicken breasts, which, well, I cooked them previously with some seasoning. So yeah, you can use shrimp, you can use beef, you can use gizzard, you can use anything that you want, but I really do not like shrimp, so I'm not putting that in my food. But anyways, yeah, and just fry the chicken to your desired color, I guess. And then I'm gonna add some onions, like finely chopped onions, because I felt like I wanted just a little bit of them in the rice. I'm gonna add that to that, and then I'm gonna add the peppers, so red bell pepper, green bell pepper, the green hot chilies as well. Then I'm gonna add some seasonings like thyme, all-purpose seasoning. I almost lost my words there. All-purpose seasoning, and I'm gonna add some Maggi, just to put things in order. All the seasoning, all of that. And I'm gonna mix that up and then let it fry for like 2 to 3 minutes. And then I'm gonna add some more stuff such as sweet corn, green peas. I feel like with coconut rice you can really just add anything that you want to add, anything that you want to be in your fried rice anyways. And then I'm gonna add the chicken breast at this point and just mix that up. Add some Lagos chili pepper. I like my rice really like a little bit spicy, and the garlic, it changes it. It absolutely changes it. Like it's a game changer. Like and then I'm just gonna add my rice and just mix that up together. Just mix it up. And I'm going to allow this to stir fry for about 5 to 10 minutes. It's your choice really. Like the rice is mainly done at this point, but I like to still fry it just to make it extra crispy. When it's almost done, I'm gonna add some coconut to it, some fresh coconut. I grated them and it's really nice, just to add another extra crisp to it. Guys, this rice was amazing. The aroma that filled my kitchen, it was absolutely delicious. I hope you try this recipe. So we've come to the end of this video, everyone, and I hope that you guys tried this recipe because it's really good. I had mine with some sauce that I made, and I'm also gonna put that up on my channel very soon, maybe next week. So just turn on your notifications so that you get notified when next I upload a video. So thank you for watching, everyone. Please remember to like, comment, subscribe if you haven't, Also share with your family and friends, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.